Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I gonna show you, unable to verify app and internet connection is required. Follow these steps. If you're seeing the error message, unable to verify app and internet connection is required, it means that there is a problem with your internet connection. Try the following steps to resolve the issue. 1. Check your internet connection by switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi. If your internet connection is causing problems with the app, this might help. 2. Restart the Threads app by completely closing it and opening it again. This can refresh the app and get things running smoothly. 3. Check for app updates in the Google Play Store or App Store to ensure you have the latest features and improvements. 4. Restart your device by turning it off and on again. This can help your apps run better. If the issue persists, contact Threads app's support team for further assistance. If the video is helpful, please don't forget to like, share and comment. Subscribe to my channel at Ali Tech iOS 17. And hit the bell icon to all to get notification of all my videos for your help. If you have any question, let me tell in the comment box, I will answer you. Thanks for watching my video.